Are you really brave in some areas of your life, but in relationships, you just don't speak up or set limits? And do you have a nagging feeling that you're really here to do something greater? Well, my name is Mary Sise. I'm an author, a speaker, a clinical social worker, and I've been there. And in this free online event, I'm going to share with you the exact energetic process that I use to get my survival brain calmed down and to release the limiting beliefs that were holding me back from stepping in and leaping in to what my soul was calling me to do. Our planet's shifting right now. We're so important at this critical time, and your soul is calling you. My feeling is we've got to stop dragging our feet. And so I warmly invite you to make it easier for you to answer the call of your soul and manifest a whole new earth.